What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with My Investment Journey, and I am back again. In this video, I want to talk to you guys about my sixth dividend payment with Stag Industrial, ticker symbol STAG. Stag Industrial pays dividends monthly, which is one of the things that I absolutely love about it. And I actually used margin investing on my Robinhood account to purchase this position with Stag Industrial. And of course, in true stock market fashion, whenever I purchase some shares, the price goes down, and Stag has gone down quite considerably. And so anyway, in this video, I will be showing you guys once again my sixth dividend payment with Stag Industrial. But listen, if you're new to this channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey. And on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so part of my portfolio, I am invested in growth stocks, and I'm also invested in dividend paying stocks. And so Stag Industrial is one of those companies that I can invest, and I know that I'm going to get a dividend payment. But one of the things that even makes it more sweet is the fact that I get these dividend payments monthly. I am all about these monthly dividend payments. It's just really, really neat to see these payments come rolling into your account, because no matter what, no matter how big or small it is, it's a little exciting and it's a little encouraging. You know, if you really want to play with the numbers and just see how powerful it is to continuously keep grabbing more shares, which is going to increase your dividend payment, once again, it's exciting to get those dividend payments. I just love it. It never gets old. I'm never like, oh yeah, I got another dividend payment. No, it's always like, yo, I got another dividend payment. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna share my computer screen with you guys right now, and currently you can see the value of my portfolio. So this is based on what's going on right now today. It's currently after hours right now, so there's not gonna be a lot of movement on my portfolio in the screen that you guys are looking at right now. But this is currently what it's at. It's currently valued at $274,000, which is pretty freaking cool. One of the things that's interesting is, as you can see today, the market's been all over the place, right? So at this point right here, it was down at 9:30 a.m. It was down negative $4,386. And then of course at this point here, which is the highest, at 1:10 p.m. it was up $2,000. So it's definitely interesting to kind of watch this thing kind of fluctuate all over the place. Just to give you guys a bird's eye view of where I stand overall in regards to my portfolio, I'll click on all here on the screen, and I'll show you guys that I really kind of started to reinvest in the stock market since May of 2020. And since May of 2020, I've invested $255,000. So right now, I'm just under $20,000 as far as my returns since May of 2020. So of course, since May of 2020, you can see that my portfolio has been up, you know, 278,000. It's been down here, 196,000. One of the highest points it's been at some point was 303,000 here in April 2022. And then of course, one of the lowest points, or the lowest points, June 17th, 2022, it was down $80,000. Okay. So of course, you know, like the stock market, it's definitely all over the place, but it also depends on the companies in which you're invested, right? Like someone else's portfolio would look differently if they were not as heavily invested with Apple and Tesla the way that I am. Apple and Tesla really kind of run my portfolio because that's the biggest pieces of the pie, right? Apple is a huge piece of pie out of my 100% in regards to portfolio, and then Tesla's another pretty big piece. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys currently what's going on with Stag. So right now Stag is trading for $35.25. Once again, it's after hours, so there's not going to be any fluctuation, and this is what it looks like. This is what's kind of occurred today. Now, my average cost per share is $40.24, so you can imagine this would be a perfect time for me to grab more shares. I'm always kind of hesitant to grab more shares because I always try to make the best decision for how I invest my money. And you never really know what the best decision is until, you know, the time has passed, right? Looking back, you're like, oh, I should have done this. But that's life, and that just happens all the time. So currently, once again, my average cost $40.24. I currently have 253 shares, and my total return in regards to Stag Industrial, I am down 12%, which is negative $1,263. Remember, I actually purchased this entire position using margin investing, and at the time that I did it, it was a sweet deal because it was less than 5% to use margin investing on Robinhood. Now it's 5%. At the time that I bought this position, it was 3%, and I was loving it. I was like, yo, this is great. Now it's 5%, so it's a little bit more tricky, but I believe in this company 100%, which is why I grabbed some shares with them. All right, so I'm going to scroll down here and show you guys. You can see that I got my most dividend payment right here, my most recent dividend payment right here, which was August the 15th. And at that particular time, I had 252.15 shares. Stag Industrial is currently paying 12 cents per share, and it allowed me to get a dividend payment of $30.68. Now, because I have dividend reinvestment turned on, Robinhood goes ahead and grabs more shares for me automatically, which just takes the thinking out of the equation. Because my average cost is $40 and some change, it doesn't matter what the amount is now, because of course Stag Industrial is trading underneath $40. Okay, so right here on August the 15th, you can see that Robinhood went ahead and grabbed 0.87 shares, so not quite one share, and at the price at that time was $35.18. So that's pretty cool, because right now Stag is trading for $35.25, and Robinhood went ahead and grabbed almost one share for $35.18. So that's a win, right? So my average cost once again is $40.24. This is definitely a company that I'm going to be holding on to for a very, very long time. This company is pretty freaking neat. They've definitely experienced some growth in the last 5 years. So if I click on the 1Y here, which means 1 year, you can see that they're down $6, which is 15%. But in the last 5 years, you can see that they're actually up $8, which is 30%. So I really believe in this company quite a bit. Of course, in 2021, it was at $47. Okay, so I got it, you know, not when it was down per se, because you can see it was down here July 15th. It was trading for $29. It would have been sweet to invest $10,000 at this particular point, but that's not how the stock market works. Like I said, my average cost per share is $40.24. So that sucks for me, but this is once again my 6th dividend payment with Stag Industrial, and I like it. I love it a lot because once again, I get these dividend payments monthly, and it never gets old. All right, so this is currently once again where my portfolio is at the making of this video: $274,000. I can't complain. It's always good to be in the green, and I am overall at the making of this particular video. I want to encourage you guys, if you're thinking about getting started in the stock market, definitely do your research and definitely take action. Don't wait for things to be perfect. Just get started. I mean, that's the best advice I can give you, other than doing your research, right? You don't just throw your money into the market. You definitely want to make sure you know stuff about the company that you're choosing to invest. All right, that's going to be it for this video. Please give the video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe. Would love to have you as a subscriber. All right, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.